This one-of-a-kind electric folding scooter is leaps and bounds above the rest. At 55 pounds, it's compact and portable, perfect for whenever you're on the go. With no assembly required, it sets up in seconds. The durable steel frame can hold a rider up to 350 pounds. The lithium battery can be charged on or off the scooter. The Triaxe Sport fits easily in most RVs. 1, 2, 3, and you're ready to ride. The convenient soft basket carries all of your essentials. The extended carry space can hold a full-size suitcase or a cooler. With this new freedom, you can take in the views, breathe in the fresh air, and simply enjoy life. The Triaxe Sport can take you to all the places you want to go. With the 2-speed control switch, you can travel at speeds up to 12 miles per hour and distances to 35 miles on a single charge. The optional 18-inch seat is available for those who are looking for a roomier ride. The revolutionary Triaxe Sport is sleek and sporty with the user controls all within easy reach. If you're looking for a convenient, portable, lightweight scooter that outshines the rest, look no further. Call today to begin your path to a happier, more mobile future. Enhance your mobility, enhance your life.